Hi, I'm Laura Hunter, and I'm the Executive Director at Open-Sky Co-operative. We're a charity and cooperative in Sackville, in Tantramar, that serves neurodivergent young adults. We have recently installed solar panels on our newly completed makerspace. We're excited about creating a space on the farm that is net zero energy, in fact, I think that we'll be producing enough energy with these solar panels to support the electricity we use in our barn, and also to the other side of the farm where we have garden sheds and use other tools. So we're excited about that. We're really grateful that this was a possibility for us by a federal grant that allowed us to expand our space, providing programming for the future in a way that is green and efficient. So it just feels great to be greening the grid in some ways. It was really great to work with some community providers and encouragers such as Fundy Solar and Wheeler Electric, who helped envision this project and get it off the ground.